So the two tools we're gonna need out of our toolkit are these. The other common tool is this. We're gonna unwrap our front. So the front of the fender is the shorter one. The front is the shorter one.
Okay.
So we're gonna take and we're gonna bend this tip like that. That's all we're gonna do. So what we also need to do is bend, see we bent this one. We need to bend these a little closer, okay? So if you're having a tough time just bending this, you can put it up against the edge of a table and just push it a little bit. Just so it's a little closer together. That should be about perfect. So now we've got to take out the bolt that holds the fender in. We're just gonna hold this, and then we just take the nut off the back of it.
All right.
Position the fender.
And this one is going to be basically at the bottom of this one.
Yep.
And we bent it so that this stays away from your head tube here.
Clears the head. You see it from this side?
And it's at the top,
Yep.
at the back.
But see how the palm of my hand is kind of resting on the fender? That tool's not long enough. It's probably the best way because I'm
With the tools
really tight.
straighten it out.
And here and here.
All right, so in summary, again, we want the one in the back to come to the top about this one. This one will be about at the bottom, and you need to make sure that that tab is bent so that it stays away from that head tube. Nice and angled and stays evenly away from your tire for a perfect ZUGO ride.